Hello guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, I'm Tutor Joseph or Mr. Explicit. As you watch this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's class, we shall be looking at physics, a topic called scalar and vector quantities, or scalars and vectors. Okay, I've taught resolution of vector quantities, how to solve vector quantities when they are moving in the same direction and opposite direction. Okay, so in today's class, I shall be telling us some examples of vector quantities as well as scalar quantities. And please let me drop this piece of advice for those of you in BUK, that is Bayero University of Kano. If you are still having the mindset that you have lots of time, you are deceiving yourself. Your exam is commencing on the 1st of September, meaning that you have 2 months and a week to cover all the topics in the various courses. If you are still being lackadaisical in attitude, or you are just a kind of indolent, it means that you don't know what you have ahead of you. All right, it's not a good thing for you to carry a course over. All right, throughout my stay in school, I never carried a course over before God and man, because I told myself that I will never carry a course over. When you carry certain courses over, as time goes on, you will begin to feel the negative implications. So your exam is commencing on the 1st of September 2025. So if you know what is good for you, start doing the necessary things. All right. If you are not on my WhatsApp group, you are making a big mistake. If you are not on my WhatsApp group, drop your number on the comment section and chat me up. Okay. So you can chat me up on 091 All right. So let's look at scalar and vector quantities. That is, what are scalars and what are vectors? Now, scalar quantities are quantities that have only magnitude but no direction. What is the meaning of magnitude? Size. Scalar quantities are quantities that have only magnitude but no direction. Okay, so what are examples of scalar quantities? Time is a scalar quantity. Volume is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Energy, any form of energy at all, whether mechanical, electrical, gravitational, heat energy, or whatever, any forms of energy, both kinetic energy, potential energy, they are all scalar quantities. All right, so don't forget that. Then 7, power is a scalar quantity as well. All right. 8, temperature is a scalar quantity, but temperature gradient is a vector quantity. Temperature gradient is a vector quantity. Number 9, distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. 10, altitude. Altitude, which is depth. Then 11, height is a scalar quantity. Length, scalar quantity. Breadth, all of these are scalar quantities. All right, they have magnitude but no direction. They have magnitude but no direction. What about vector quantities? Vector quantities are quantities that have both magnitude and what? Direction. Vector quantities are quantities that have both magnitude and what? Direction. So please take note of that. Then examples of vector quantities are weight. Weight is a vector quantity, but mass is what? A scalar quantity. Then 2, velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. All right. Acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Pressure is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. The moment of a force is a vector quantity. 7, momentum. Momentum is a vector quantity. Eight, you have temperature gradient. Temperature gradient is a vector quantity. Number 9, uh, electric field is a vector quantity. All right, magnetic field is a vector quantity. All right, gravitational field is a vector quantities. So all of these are vector quantities. So on the comment section, just as I've given you some examples of scalar quantities and vector quantities, all right, so let me also add this impulse. Impulse is a vector quantity. So on the comment section, I want to drop some quantities on the board. Okay, so you are going to tell me which of them is a scalar quantity and which of them is a vector quantity. I will go to go. Now, the ones I'm giving you are going to tell me the ones that are vector quantities and the ones that are scalar quantity. One, I'll give you magnetic flux. I'll give you magnetic flux. I'll give you impedance. I'll give you resistivity. Then I'll give you capacitance of a capacitor. Capacitance of a capacitor. So you are going to write on the comment section which of these is a scalar quantity, which of them is a vector quantities, or are the four vector quantities, or are the four scalar quantities. So just drop your thoughts on the comment section. So please take note of that. So these are the stuffs we are doing for today. Okay, I've told you guys already. I've done resolution of vector quantities. If you know you have learned something in today's video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Do have a wonderful day.